Google Maps is a great app that helps you navigate the world, find places, get directions and more. But sometimes you may find it hard to zoom in and out of the map using two fingers, especially when you're holding your phone with one hand and wearing gloves. This is a very handy feature that can save you time and hassle when you need to quickly adjust the map view. To zoom in and out of the map using one finger, you need to use the double tap and slide gesture. This gesture works on both Android and iOS devices. To zoom in, double tap on the map and keep your finger on the screen, then slide your finger up to zoom in. The more you slide up, the more you zoom in. To zoom out, double tap on the map and keep your finger on the screen, then slide your finger down to zoom out. The more you slide down, the more you zoom out. Next tip is how to share your live location on Google Maps with your friends and family. This is a useful feature that lets you share your real-time location and ETA with anyone you choose so that they can see where you are and where you will arrive. You can also stop sharing your location anytime you want. Google Maps also helps you search any of your favorite destinations, whether it might be a coffee shop or shopping mall or hospitals or clinics, anything that you want. Just search on the options and choose what you want to search. The next one is a very beautiful tip provided by Google Maps. Do you want to know what is the weather quality or the air quality in your city or in your location? This is how even the Google Maps also provides you the different air quality in your city or your location. Have you ever wanted to travel to your dream destination but forgot to plan ahead, or maybe you have a busy schedule and need a reminder to take a break and explore the world? Well, now you can with Google Maps Remind feature to travel. Google Maps Remind feature to travel is a feature that lets you set reminders for places you want to visit in the future. You can choose from millions of destinations around the world or let Google Maps suggest some of you based on your preferences and interests. Let me know in comments which one was your favorite tip. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.